Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix no internet secret in Windows 11 in a very simple way. It's very simple. You just need to come over into your search option and then you just need to search for network connection. View network connection over here. If you click on that, then you will get an option called network connection, and you can see there is two options. If you can have three options or four options. It doesn't matter. You just need to come over into this Wi-Fi adapter setting. If you just click on the right mouse button and then if you go for properties, then you will see another windows called Wi-Fi properties. And here you just need to be sure that Internet Protocol version 4 mark is ticked. After that, if you select it and then go for properties, and then you can see if you're using the following IP address or if your computer is have this kind of stuff, you just need to simply select this obtain an IP address automatically and also obtain the server address automatically. When it's completed, then if you click on OK, click close. Now if you come over into your Wi-Fi taskbar over here, you will see your internet connection is secure. So this is how you can fix the internet security in Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.